Hello and welcome back to another busy day at the barn. Now today I'm going to carry on working on my flares, going to polish them and hopefully fit one if I can. But before I do that, I'm going to go and give Chris a hand to fit his windows to his huge library camper van conversion. So let's go and see what Chris is up to. Made some templates, it's fitting some windows. Look at that. So what these buttons are to make it thicker?
Each year's got to be 30mm, and seeing as the wall's already 20, I've put 10mm battens on here.
Excellent.
And put some tung oil on to protect the edge. Tung oil.
Tung oil?
Yeah, tung, T-U-N-G. It's from a seed.
Oh, right. And so stop the moisture getting into the
You're going to mix it 50-50 with turps first time, and then give it another coat, pure.
Oh, fantastic. So you've done your research and look at the roof. Yeah.
Just trying to get me around these electrics.
Super quick time.
Yeah. Tomorrow that gets fitted properly. Yeah. We were a bit windy yesterday.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
And how many windows you having?
Just these, well I'm having 3 here, then a max air fan, and then just a normal opening window in the bedroom area. And then I'm going to, when this sliding door opens, it'll block that window out, but I'm going to have another window and a door here for a fold down floor.
Excellent, so you're going to keep that door working?
Yeah. I'm going to have a fold down so I can sit outside with a bit of imitation grass, maybe a bit of DJing somewhere or whatever. Yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah. Just show us your windows, what windows you're fitting.
These are Auto Shield.
And these are double glazed?
Double glazed, yeah.
Yeah, look at that, they're really thick, they're nice.
Yeah, they're heavy.
Yeah.
They're well made.
I've never seen those windows before, and I was looking at them yesterday and I've got to say they do look pretty good. Yeah, they are double glazed and they open. So Chris has got his sealant warming up by the diesel heater. Wise man, that's all I can say. I suppose a good idea to warm your sealant up, makes it so much easier to get it out using a mastic gun. Look at them windows, they're huge.
You're copying off your little tin.
Cut a V in the nozzle. Very good. So these are bonded in, and you're going to, and they're screwed in
as well, yeah.
Yeah. So they shouldn't leak then, should they?
No, I can find me. Well, they shouldn't do.
Which one are you doing first?
This little one.
All right.
I'll just put some more tung oil on it.
It's easier to cut that off. That ring, I always cut them off. They're a pain. I'm just building some trellises for you. We're just putting them together.
So much easier when it's warm.
Yeah. Now I know some of you are going to ask, Chris is using Sikaflex 522 and he's using white Sikaflex as well because his panels of his van are white. So if he gets any overspill, it won't show so much. Very clever, look at that. It's going on really nicely. On the next one, Chris, I'll lend you my gun.
Right, yeah, it's better than this.
Yeah. Right, we'll let Chris continue doing that, and then we'll catch him up when he comes to fitting the actual glass to the outside of the van. Oh, you're doing it that way round? Oh, that's clever. So Chris has simply passed the glass through from inside to the out. Shall I go outside and hold it?
If you would, yes.
While you put the screws in on the inside.
Wicked. That's not something like that. Screw bits. I don't know if I've got a smaller one.
Yeah. What ones you got?
The ones that came with it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where are they going? Into the wood or into
the metal?
Into the metal itself?
And then I have to put separate ones in the wood. You don't get extensions with it or anything.
Can you take that frame off? I've got loads of screws in my box.
Right, yeah, this bit comes off.
Yeah, take that off, clamp it to the side, and then we'll have a look, see what screws I've got. Because those screws don't seem to want to go in there.
No, they're not there.
And clamp it at the top, maybe. That's it. Yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. No. So it would appear that the screws that come with the kit aren't exactly up to par, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I've got some in my toolbox that will do the job. In my little box of magic tricks, I've got some self-drilling, self-tapping screws, so hopefully these will help Chris out. I'll just grab a handful. Let's see if these work any better than the screws that came with the kit. God, look at him. He's struggling, look, he's really struggling. Hang up, Chris, look.
Yeah, got one of them, but not that one.
Try these. These are self-drilling, self-tapping.
Right. Ah, right, yes.
Yeah? You might find they're a bit better.
Bang on.
Yeah?
Lovely, yeah. Thank you.
How much do you need? I'll just go and get a handful.
4, 6, 8, 16, 24.
I'll get a handful.
Right, cheers.
That was lucky. That was really lucky. I'll just grab them all. I think I've got masses of them. See if we can find them a little tub to put them in. Oh yeah, good old spray can lid. That should do. There you go. That should get him through. So Chris was saying these windows don't actually come with any instructions.
And there's just one YouTube video on it.
Yeah. Well, there you go. There's 2 YouTube videos
Yeah,
now.
2 now, yeah.
There you go. That's easier,
That's
isn't it?
easier, isn't it? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. They're good screws, they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
There you go. You can see it cuts into the metal.
Yeah.
And then goes in once it gets a grip.
We're going then.
I use those screws for my backings when I screw the backings to the metal.
Right, okay, yeah.
There you go.
And then I'll screw
Brilliant.
that plate to there.
So is there another trim or is that it?
No, then these, it gets complicated after that.
Oh really? Oh, there's a
That goes
screen.
over the top, somehow.
Right.
On the YouTube video, he didn't have a clue how to do it. That somehow you've got to fit on there somehow.
Oh right.
And then this one then goes over that. And that's your blind.
Okay.
Yeah. I've been scratching my head for days.
Doesn't that go on before that frame?
Sorry? No, not after.
No, it goes on after.
Yeah, after. I know, that's what I thought at first.
We'll have to have a look at that. I'm going to give Chris a hand with this, see if we can figure it out.
Right there.
I'll hold it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Think of them like a drill bit. Screw in. You want to go fast.
Yeah,
There you go. Yeah. It's still straight, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the hole.
Yeah, when it was so
Yeah, so
tight,
you
yeah.
feel it drilling. As soon as it's done drilling, it's through. There it goes. That's it.
Yeah, it's a strange one then, isn't it, really?
Yeah. That's it there, isn't it? Another one in there.
Yeah.
Good as.
Yeah, it's good as that, yeah.
Yeah, so those screws, you'd think of them like a drill bit.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah, so you've got
Cuts
the drill,
through, doesn't it?
so it drills,
Yeah.
and then once it's done drilling, you'll feel the screw grab.
Which is, they're just...
They're the ones that come with
They're
it.
the ones that
Yeah.
came with it. Yeah.
No, they're much better, those
Yeah,
ones.
definitely. Cheers.
Self-drilling,
Yeah.
self-tapping. There you go, you got the hang of them.
Yeah, you got it now. Yeah.
That's alright, isn't it?
That's alright, yeah.
Get out of the way. How about giving Chris a thumbs up, eh?
Yeah.
Right, so that one's gone blunt. Start again with another one. Throw that one away. Because it's gone blunt now, the drill bit's gone on it. That happens sometimes.
Yeah. That's solid, is that?
Yeah.
Don't think I'll bother with it, really.
No, you won't have to.
No.
Those four are.
Yeah.
Put the frame on.
Frame on.
Yeah, I want to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Needs to come out.
Hang on. So they've got those tabs on them.
And then there's another packet of screws. Not them ones, these ones. Which are exactly the same anyway.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's just more of them in.
This has already got holes in it though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Pre-drilled, so they should be alright.
They should be alright, yep.
Shall I hold it up there where you put them in? Be easier for you? Is that magnetic, your screwdriver bit?
Should be.
No. That's a shame. Where's a magnetic screw bit when you need it?
Yeah.
How deep the channel is?
It's in.
It's in.
That's not deep enough though, is it?
Wow. You had a long one somewhere.
I'll just start it. Give it one little turn so it don't come out.
Yeah. There you go. Maybe use an old-fashioned hand screwdriver.
That might be a good call actually. Yes. And I've got one of those down here.
Nobody seems to use hand screwdrivers anymore. Everyone goes for the electric screwdrivers. Sometimes it's always good to go back old school and screw things in by hand. Look how much space he's got in here, it's unbelievable. Not sure about the t-shirt though. Some people may find that offensive. Yeah, I'll load it. Is it going in? Does it line up?
No, the screwdriver's too big. Yeah, it's too big, is that one?
I'll go and get my set.
Yeah, if you won't mind please.
I'll go and get my set. Here you go. See if there's one in there that'll do it. Let's hope so.
That's going in.
Is it going in?
Yeah. I'll not tighten it fully up till I get a few more lines in.
Yeah. Good thinking. The trouble is you've got to try and get them in there. It looks really fiddly.
Yeah, isn't it?
How deep that is. Yeah, not a lot of room.
No, not a lot at all.
It's good that they line up, isn't it?
This one's tight.
So Chris has finished fitting his window and his blinds. How does it work, Chris? Give us a demonstration.
It's not so bad. You've got your flash screen, quite stiff to push up.
Oh yeah.
And then you've got your blackout screen, but they also magnetic strip, so you can have either or.
Either or.
Yeah, which is a pretty cool feature.
There's silicone in there.
Yeah.
There's silicone spray that'll loosen it
that'll
up.
loosen it up, won't it? Yeah, but pleased for them.
Look at that. And they lock, obviously they lock.
Yeah, pretty strong locks and all. They're not plastic, they're aluminium.
Yeah, look at that. Nice.
Yeah.
Where'd you buy these from?
I've got them off from eBay, off Auto Shield.
Okay.
I think they were based in Leeds.
Leeds. And there's obviously the strips that go in
Yeah,
there.
the strips I've got to put back in,
Yeah, they're down here, look, these strips. We saw you take them out. They look really nice.
Yeah, they do.
So there you go. If you're interested in getting hold of these, I'll see if I can find
Auto Shield.
I'll get a link and I'll put it down in the description of this video, purely for your convenience.
And don't forget, subscribe to Mel's channel.
That's right. Thank you, Chris. Almost forgot to say that.
I beat you to it.
You've done this one already.
Yeah, I'm going on with that one now. Once you've got the knack, I can do them on my own. Once you get the two screws in, it pulls it tight, you're on your way.
Well done. You did this one on your own?
Yeah.
Oh look, because it's open. You can actually see how thick that glass is. It is double glazed. So no condensation for Chris in the winter.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
There you go.
Save the biggest to last.
Right, thanks Chris.
No problem.
I'm going to crack on and finish off painting me panels.
Yeah, good.
Cheers, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
Don't forget, if you need anything, just give us a shout.
Yeah, I will do. Yeah, nice one, Mel. Cheers. Appreciate
You got enough of those screws?
Yeah, there's plenty there. Thank you. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, bang on. Yeah. If not, I'll find you.
Yeah. If you need any more, I've got something on the bench.
Sorry, thank you.
All right. There you go. That's Chris, everyone. Make sure you give him a thumbs up. Right, I want to carry on painting my side flares. Well, not painting them, polishing them. Well, the sun has come out. Chris has moved his van outside. The windows are looking terrific. Right. Chris is now busy working on the roof of his van because it is such a beautiful day. Unfortunately, I need to go back inside the workshop and finish off fitting the flares to my van. If you want to see how I fit the flares to my van, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss that video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now.